Teacher Bonnie here with the topic My Street. For this video, we're going to talk about something that you can ride on, and it usually has two wheels. If you don't know how to ride it, you will have maybe 3 or 4 wheels to help you. And guess what word it is? Okay, yep, you're right. It is a bike. Bike. Do you guys know how to ride a bike? Yeah. Okay, so for the word bike, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. And there are only 3 sounds, bike. Okay, let's go look at the word. In the word bike, there's Bouncy Ben, Mr. I, Kicking King, and Silent Magic E. Here we can see there's a Silent Magic E story. So Silent Magic E shoots out magic sparks over one letter onto the vowel, making a vowel man appear. So here, Impy Ink became Mr. I, making his I sound. I. Silent Magic E will not say anything because he's silent. Okay, so that's why it's bike. Are you guys ready to spell it? Here we go. Got it? Okay, let's look at the answer. The answer is B-I-K-E. B-I-K-E. I think I'm going to ride my bike later after work. To get some exercise. I need some exercise. Okay, see you guys.